So today's video is going to be kind of weird. I've been watching a lot of Michael Reeves lately and it gave me an idea to do something similar. There's only one issue. I do not know how to code for shit. So, what's my option? Well, I decided that I'm not going to say I'm deceiving my audience, but so as we get closer and closer to the end of 2020, I'm pretty sure everyone can agree on one statement, which is, how the fuck have we survived? And why aren't we gone yet? I mean, there was, Corona that almost killed us. There was that World War III, everything was on fire, and yet we still managed to push through. Why? Now don't get me wrong, I want the end of the world much like any other person, but I don't want to be over some pussy ass shit like a virus or fires or a nuclear war because North Korea was getting pissed off at us over some bullshit again. No. What I want is a robot uprising. Like Michael Reeves, except slightly different because I don't want something like some pussy ass drones killing everybody. No, I want robot dinosaurs to extinct humanity. The same way the asteroids did to them, they do to us. And, I've decided since Michael Reeves is probably not going to get around to doing any robotic dinosaurs attacking human civilization while you watch them slowly tear everything apart, I might as well do it, because who else is going to do it, right? So the plan is I'm going to make a small robot dinosaur that my sister has. I'm going to have it attack humans based off their facial recognition. Now, how's this going to work exactly? Well, currently this little piece of shit, it's just a fucking dinosaur, it doesn't attack your shit. It has two attack modes. It swings its fucking tail. That's it. Oh my god. Oh no, what's the tail gonna do? Who fucking knows? Who fucking cares? It's not killing anybody. Basically, what I plan to do is I'm gonna make the tail more of a lethal weapon. That way when it swings at someone, it does actual damage. And you see, the biggest issue with this project is trying to get this dinosaur to do facial recognition, because the way this dinosaur works is that it's a toy, it has its own play mode where once you turn it on, it moves around on its own, it swings around, stuff like that. Incredibly boring and incredibly non-lethal. It's not killing any humans. Why would he want it? Ew, bad, crack it, spit on you. Now luckily this dinosaur connects to the Wi-Fi, so what I plan to do is use my laptop and some coding so that this dinosaur can then sense humans and start attacking them right away. Now the hardest part of this is trying to make it sense humans, because this dinosaur has no real sense recognition. All it senses is once it hits something, it moves back. That's it. I don't want that, because then the humans have a chance to fight back. I want it when as soon as it sees a human, it attacks them. Now we go into coding. So it's been a couple days and I haven't gotten too far, but I have connected the dinosaur and my laptop both to the Wi-Fi. So far I've been doing a little bit of coding and I've gotten so far to make it where the dinosaur can now recognize me as a human and attack me. What I do is I connect my laptop and the dinosaur both to the internet. Then I make my laptop admin of the internet server. That way I can look at all the things that are connected to the internet. Then I go searching for the dinosaur location and I open it up and then I start putting it in code so that the nose right here, these are two little dot sensors, could, instead of sensing something when it hits, it senses something when it's a few feet away. This, so far, all it does is this. And again, that doesn't do shit. Now, Sonny, you may be wondering, what was the code that you used? Oh wait, you weren't wondering that? Well, too bad, I put a lot of work into it, so you're gonna see it anyways. This right here is what I used. It's a lot of coding. Basically, it just makes it where the dinosaur can sense humans nearby and stuff like that, and then it attacks on sight. Easy, yeah. It took a couple of days to make, so appreciate my art. So awesome, great. Now what am I gonna do so that I could actually do lethal damage? It sees humans and it attacks on sight. That's amazing, but if it doesn't kill, what is the point? Now I would like to attach a laser to it so that I can shoot lasers, but I don't have the money for that. So instead we're gonna have to resort to a gun. Alright, come again? What do you mean I can't buy a gun because I'm 17? I live in America! So rain check, I can't buy a gun. So instead we're gonna have to resort to more up close personal force. In other words, I mean a big ass fucking knife. This here. Son of a bitch. As you can see, I've done this before, obviously. Just give me a second. It's okay. When you first fail, you then succeed. Just some fucking bullshit philosophers said that before. We need 2 layers of tape. 2 layers of tape and that will do. 3 layers of tape and it will do. 3 layers, that's the lucky number. You pray to Buddha 3 times and it works. Okay, so it turns out the knife's too big. The dinosaur sees me and it's trying to come after me, but it's fucking stuck on the ground, so we're gonna have to get a smaller knife. And now it works. I got the smaller knife, and honestly, this thing looks fucking terrifying. That just means it's time to get to the main show. Oh, fuck me. Fuck, this is actually scary. Alright, back the fuck up. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, just keep walking back, keep walking back. Keep right there. Come here. Hey, Adam, don't you think that the world should have died off by now, especially because of 2020?
I guess.
But do you think a coronavirus is a good way? No, right? It's fucking boring. About nuke. No, also fucking boring. Come here, I have a good idea. Come here, you're gonna like this idea. So there's a little dinosaur. Don't worry about him. He's your friend. Okay? See this guy here? He's your friend. Agree? He's your friend with the knife. Don't worry. Now stand back there. Just stay right there. No need to worry about the dinosaur, okay? He's your friend. Walk to him, Adam. Let him face you. Let him look up at you. Yeah, just do some push-ups in front of it, Adam. Don't worry.
Wait, you recording?
Yeah.
No,
just do some push-ups, Adam. Come on. Look, it's your friend. Look, get close to it. Look, kneel down and look at it in the eyes, okay? Maybe not too, maybe back up a little bit more. Okay, now get down, look at it right in the eyes, Adam. Look, Adam, it's your friend. Why are you running? Adam, look, it's your friend. Adam, it's your friend. Adam,
that's so stupid.
Adam, where are you going?
It's so every single day. Something's different that doesn't even make any sense, and it's just so stupid.
Wait, Adam, trust me.
Literally none of it even makes sense. You attached you put a goddamn knife on a dinosaur and then just started moving it around my leg. That's so dumb. What's the...
I thought it was a good idea. Well, that was fun. I'm going to be having these dinosaurs up on sale now. So if you want to buy your own terrifying dinosaur to go and terrorize your neighbors or those annoying little bastard kids in your neighborhood, just sign up at my website. A quick thank you from our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. And also thank you to my Patreons. I have nobody signed to my Patreon because I don't have a Patreon. But if you sign to it, thank you. And if you guys want more information...
Can I delete the app that controls the dinosaur now? Oh, you're still recording.
Fuck! Alright guys, no, but seriously, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment. If you have another YouTuber that you want me to make a video like this about, just leave in the comments below. Share it, do whatever you can, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and watch the videos all the way through, because they fuck up my channel if you don't. Thank you all for watching.